Hello, welcome back. Bison Sirloin steak. You heard me. Bison Sirloin steak. And this one I'm going to cook in a cast iron. That takes skills. It's like an art. Now, before I start creating, let me answer the three questions that I always ask when I cook bison. Number one, what is the difference between a bison and a buffalo? Well, they look slightly different. You know, the horns, the way they're shaped. But bisons, you can find them in America and you can find them in Europe. Well, buffaloes, you're going to find them in Africa and Asia. Question number two, what is the difference between bison sirloin steak and beef sirloin steak? It's actually quite a different. If you compare the same area of the body where the sirloin is coming from each animal, the one from the beef has more fat. Therefore, you have to cook the bison sirloin steak because it's leaner, a little bit different. You have to cook it a little bit faster. Because if you overcook it, you're not going to be eating bison. You're going to be eating something like this. The sole of a shoe. Finally, how do the taste between bison and beef compare if you come from the same side of each animal? Well, that's like asking me how Pepsi compare to orange juice. It's a different type of comparison. You just have to embrace the taste. And it tastes very good, by the way. So go nowhere. Let's have some fun. Subscribe because there are more to come. Let's create. So this is a bison sirloin steak. In some countries they call it buffalo sirloin steak. Here in America we have bisons. Pretty much the similar, same thing. So what I'm going to do, only thing you need to do is put a little bit of salt. I'm using sea salt and pepper. Turn it around, do the same. Very high heat, oil, and you have to make sure that when you cook this, it's not overcooked because this is a lean meat. I'm going to fry it for a couple minutes. Flip it. I'm going to put some garlic and some aromatics in the form of oregano, thyme, and rosemary. Butter. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to move it around. For a couple more minutes. So 2 minutes on one side, 2 minutes on the other. And I'm going to play around with it, moving it around so it doesn't burn for maybe 2 or 3 minutes. Giving it the aromatic. Get a bit more butter. Making it juicy. Turn it around. To put it to rest. It's about 3 to 5 minutes. Going to saute some mushrooms. I'm going to add a little bit of thyme. And continue sauteing my mushrooms. It shouldn't take a long time, maybe 3 minutes is that. I'm pretty much using butter, some of the grease from the bison or the buffalo, whatever you want to call it. Here in America we call it bison. So pretty that's it. Nice looking, huh?